It was the icing on the cake that caused the controversy. And now Asher's Bakery, who described themselves as a Christian business, is facing legal action after refusing to bake a campaign cake with this slogan supporting gay marriage.
Directors and myself considered it and looked at it, and we thought that this order was at odds with our beliefs. It certainly wasn't in contradiction with what the Bible teaches. And on the following Monday, we rang up the customer to let him know that we couldn't take his order.
Asher's is a bakery business. Bakery businesses are not Christian, they're not Muslim, they're not Jewish. The people who own the company, the people who run the company, staff in the company might have very sincerely held Christian beliefs. Unfortunately, that is not a license to discriminate against potential customers, and ultimately it's not good for their brand image.
The order was placed by gay activist Gareth Lee from campaign group Queer Space at this Belfast store.
We are certainly convinced that we've made the right decision. We continue to take the stand and the stance that we do take. I'd like the outcome of this to be that any Christians running a business could be allowed to follow their Christian beliefs and principles in the day-to-day running of their business, and that they're allowed to make decisions based on that.
The Christian Institute, a Christian charity, is providing support for the company, claiming the case proves the need for the law to reasonably accommodate family-run businesses with firmly held beliefs. But the bakery could now be facing legal action. Asher's claims in a letter the Equality Commission has accused the company of discrimination on the grounds of sexual orientation by refusing to decorate the cake because of its pro-gay marriage message. In a statement, the Commission said it has granted assistance to Mr Lee and has written to Asher's Bakery on his behalf. It adds the Commission will consider any response to its letter before taking further action. The cake was to be made for an event hosted by former Mayor of North Down, Andrew Moore, who is one of Northern Ireland's very few prominent gay politicians. A bakery in Bangor stepped in and provided a cake for the Anti-Homophobia Day.
Everyone's entitled to their religious beliefs, and I as a Christian am entitled to mine as well, but Christianity comes in very different forms. So what you have to do as a business is as a business owner, you can have your own religious beliefs, so you've got to treat everyone equally, and within that business you need to ensure all your employees are cherished and valued regardless of their background. So you're entitled to your freedom of religious belief, but also you're to ensure that everyone's served equally and without discrimination.
I think the community is happy that the Commission has taken this stance, but I really think that the community are once again feeling almost a little bit embarrassed of Northern Ireland being so far behind the times.
With the bakery refusing to say sorry, this case will most likely end up in court. But for now, the fallout has left a bad taste for all those caught up in this controversy. Sarah Moore, UTV Live.